Guys, we have a new member on the channel, a new tiny member. Mom of two under two. I'm not saying it like, should I even run away from this thing? Because I think that's one thing about Nigerians. They don't really like care with second born. I'm still looking like a pregnant woman, Sha. That's just what I should say. Like a tiny dot waiting to be healed. Like just, it has been crazy. I'm not going to lie, guys. It has been painful. Everything just saw like this period. Everything is not that easy.
Wanna be free of this heart.
Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel with a new member. We have a new family member. She came on the 24th of December last year. Do you want to say hi, guys? Mama. Guys, we have a new member on this channel. Our baby is here, guys. She's hungry. I think she wants to eat. You're hungry, right? Guys, we have a new member on the channel, a new tiny member. Hey mama, Jemima is now on our channel. So guys, welcome to our channel of Mom of Two Under Two. Guys, I'm officially welcoming you to this channel. And as a mom of two under two, guys, yes, motherhood so far. How has it been, guys, to be mom of two under two? Guys, it has been crazy. I'm not going to lie, guys. It hasn't been that easy. Seriously. I was even saying it like, should I even run away from this thing? So it hasn't been that easy, seriously, because I've been unable to like sleepless nights, a lot of things. We had 3 weeks postpartum today, and my body is not back yet, guys. My tummy is still very big. It's still very much big. Like, this is the size of our tummy, guys. I'm not like, you know, it says you can't do anything to your tummy, and I'm still having pain, like a lot of pain. Like, as I'm sitting down, I'm feeling pain, but I just have to get this video done. Yeah, motherhood, mom of two under two. How has it been, guys? I would just say it's actually God's grace, because it's not something I think I can actually do with my strength or my power, or I don't even know. Like, guys, I don't even know if I should be crying, because I don't even know what to do, guys, most times. But I'm trying to live day by day, and I'm just trying to say and just praying for God's strength, which God has given unto me. And I'm so grateful for this strength, because I can't believe that the little Becca, the little me, I'm not the one doing this. Like, I don't even know how to put this. My face is still like puffy and swollen, but my nose is coming back to shape little by little. My neck is still dark. Oh, like postpartum, I'm still looking like a pregnant woman, Sha. That's just what I should say. Yeah, guys, it's not easy. Like, changing 2 diapers, my firstborn is just 1 year 6 months, and this one is just 3 weeks. So I have a year 6 months and a 3 weeks old. Heart is pumping so hard right now, like it's beating so hard right now, guys. And you know, this comes with money, like a lot of money. Like, hey, to, like, you know, this Ashake song, go low. Motherhood now comes with money. You have to have money before you can even be a mother or be a parent. Like, or I'm just talking about parenthood. Like, it has been a little bit easy because my husband is actually always with Jerry. I'm actually always with Jemima, so we have actually like split the responsibility now. I'm trying to get help, but fingers crossed. Like, I don't know. I have Marvelous around, and she's going back to school next week or so. So it's like, by this time next week, I will be on my own. Like, I don't even know how to do this. I don't know, but it's not like I don't want to get help, but you know, this help, they will just make you run mad, and I don't want to be dealing with madness with this postpartum. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. So that's just why I haven't considered getting any help for now. But I think I will surely do, because I want to be back with content creation. I want to be back with YouTube videos. I want to be back with a lot of things. I have so many videos and a lot of things I've planned for this year. So I need help actually to help me. But God's help is the best. The Lord Almighty is going to help his daughter. Amen. I don't want to joke with that, because God knows, like, he has been helping. So yeah, amen. Yeah, like, guys, I started bathing my baby like because my mom left when she was like, I think 1 week and some days. So obviously I have to like take care of her. Like that's actually my first time like trying to prepare a baby. Like for Jerick, I had a lot of help. For Jerick, I had help. Like a lot of people were around. But for this, I think that's one thing about Nigerians. They don't really like care with second born. Why? Like it's still a child. Like why? Like during Jerick's time, I can remember a lot of people have come and like, oh, let us help you with this, let us help you with that. But for this one, I think they just think you are a pro. You should know what to do already, or you don't need help. Anyways, I have nothing. I have nothing to complain about because she been na me carry pregnancy. She been na me collect pregnancy. Na me should. Abi èmi mo ṣáà gboyún. Èmi màá tẹ̀ mọ́ bí màá ṣe tọ́jú ara mi. Abi. So I don't really have to be complaining, but it's not easy. But I'm just working with God's grace at this period of time. Okay, I want to talk about my delivery, guys. Thank God we have the delivery. The complications wasn't that bad, so I'm fine. The baby is fine. Everybody is fine. My husband is fine. My firstborn is fine. I have firstborn. I have secondborn. Anyways, guys, I don't know what to say. Like, I just want to tell you that our baby is here, she's doing fine, she's active, and guys, she's eating well. She's eating well. This time I'm not doing exclusive. Like anything where resemble exclusive, please remove them from my hand. I'm not doing exclusive, so we are doing like combination of the two. I want to like try to balance things and learn how to like put myself on the track, you know, like I have to just study myself and know, okay, if I'll be the type, maybe in the morning I'll be sleeping or at night I'll be working. I just want to do that for this period. So 3 weeks postpartum, our belly is still big, our nose is still puffy, our face is still puffy, our neck is still dark as well. We are just trying to hide it with powder and concealer. Yeah, that's just what I want to say in this video. It's just going to be a very short video just to tell you that our baby don't come more. We are now mom of 2 under 2 officially. Guys, the plan, guys, you guys are not ready for what I have in plan for you guys. A lot of videos will be coming out very soon. A lot and a lot of beautiful, interesting videos will be coming out. Guys, please watch those videos, engage on the videos. And guys, I'm not going to lie. I'm not gonna lie. I've been seeing your engagement and I'm really in love with that. I love that, guys. Thank you so much for what you've been doing for this little girl. I'm about to turn myself to a full-time content creator now. Obviously, I have to on that too. What can I do? Like, yeah, guys, that's just the plan. Yeah, I know I'm just babbling around. I'm not actually hitting a point. It's just me telling you that we have a baby now and I've been struggling with motherhood again, and I'm praying for God's strength to help me to navigate this period. And what else I'm here to talk on. Yeah, this is just a very short video to tell you that baby don't come more. Yeah, I've said that a couple of times. Healing, guys, let me talk about my healing period. Guys, currently I'm still healing. My incision line has healed to a little point. I just have like a tiny dot waiting to be healed, like just a tiny dot, and I can now shower. I can now shower now. I'm not mopping my body anymore. In case you don't know, if just like maybe my own shower, like after my CS, I tried to mop for like some weeks before having a proper bath. So I'm done mopping my body now. So healing has been fine. I'm still feeling pain down there. As breastfeeding has been so painful. It has been painful. Everything just saw like this period. Everything is not that easy. But God's strength is the plan. Guys, I've not been eating well. And my weight has actually reduced dramatically. All thanks to God. Going to be the end of this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you in my next video. But today, stay blessed. Bye, guys. Mwah.